Are you tired of cooking up tofu that doesn't end up crispy and crunchy? Or are you tired of putting your tofu on a paper towel with a plate on top with some weights and hoping it doesn't fall over or start to look like the Leaning Tower of Pisa? I've got the perfect solution for you. One of my favorite things to use in the kitchen is the Easy Tofu Press. I love it because number one, it's made in the USA. It's plastic, which means it's dishwasher safe, and it makes pressing tofu a breeze. So what you do is you open it up, you take your tofu, and it can be firm or extra firm. Once you've drained it out of the water, you're going to put it in the middle of your press here. So then you're going to tighten up the nuts. I make sure to do it pretty tight, but I also don't want my tofu to split, so just kind of keep an eye on it. I generally compress it about halfway. And then I'll just set this on top of a towel, and then when my 15 minutes is up, I will go ahead and drain it over the sink, and a lot of the liquid is just going to pour right out. And if you're like me and you enjoy crispy, crunchy tofu, the Easy Tofu Press is the way to go.